Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Toyota Caravan Motorhome is expected to be a major advancement in the field of small and adaptable recreational vehicles, enhancing Toyota's well-established reputation for dependability and creative design. This future model is intended to satisfy a discriminating clientele looking for both mobility and independence for their travels by skillfully fusing the functionality of a van with the fundamental comforts of a motorhome. It is anticipated that the exterior design of the 2026 Toyota Caravan Motorhome would demonstrate a tasteful fusion of practical beauty and aerodynamic efficiency, while carefully incorporated elements like flush-mounted windows, discrete servicing access panels, and an optional low-profile pop-top roof will add to a unified and elegant appearance. Sleek lines and a modern profile are anticipated to improve fuel economy and on-road stability. Consideration for accessibility and outdoor living is also envisaged, with potential elements such as an integrated side awning, an adjustable entry step, and options for external lighting and power connections. It is anticipated that the 2026 Toyota Caravan Motorhome will optimize internal space usage through clever design and flexible configurations. Modular furniture systems that can be readily rearranged to accommodate many uses, including dining, relaxing, and sleeping, are intended to be included into the living area. A light, airy color scheme and sturdy, high-quality materials will probably result in a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. In order to meet the demands of lengthy trips, integrated storage solutions will be positioned thoughtfully throughout the cabin with the goal of maximizing organization and minimizing clutter. The kitchen room is predicted to be compact yet completely functional, potentially incorporating a combination sink and hob unit, a refrigerator with efficient power use, and intelligently built storage for cookware and provisions. Multiple occupants can be easily accommodated by the anticipated adaptable sleeping arrangements, which may include a convertible dinette bed and an optional raising roof bed. Another possible feature is a well-equipped wet room with a shower, sink, and toilet, focusing on traveler convenience and self-containment. It is anticipated that Toyota's most recent technological developments in connection, safety, and driver assistance technologies would be incorporated into the 2026 Toyota Caravan Motorhome. A user-friendly infotainment system with navigation capability, smartphone integration, and digital instrument displays are envisaged. In order to improve driver confidence and passenger security, advanced safety technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automated emergency braking are probably going to be standard. Additionally, features like solar panel compatibility, supplementary batteries, and effective LED lighting throughout the car may be added as a result of energy efficiency and sustainability considerations. It is anticipated that the 2026 Toyota Caravan Motorhome's engine choices will complement Toyota's dedication to performance and efficiency. Refined gasoline or diesel engines are possible options, with hybrid technology perhaps added to further improve fuel economy and lower emissions. To sum up, the 2026 Toyota Caravan Motorhome is anticipated to be a well-thought-out and fully furnished recreational vehicle that exemplifies Toyota's basic principles of dependability, functionality, and creativity.